triple eight. You are so blessed and your angels are excited for you to realize your fullest potential. So much beauty and joy are coming your way. It will almost be like opening gifts on Christmas Day for you now. You have worked so hard and gone through so much in your life to bring you to where you are today. It's now time for you to open your mind and heart and realize that you are worthy of success. Love, joy and happiness, and it is coming to you now. It's your time. God heard your prayers last night. He felt the anxiety, the anguish, the confusion, and the pain. He saw the tears you shed for your parents, your children, your friends, and your situation. But if you rail against the injustice of your current situation, you hold yourself in vibrational alignment with what you do not want. And you cannot then move in the direction of improvement. It defies law. In every particle of the universe, there is that which is wanted and the lack of it. Type Amen.